Hello, this is Bill. I'm going to show you something really great and easy. This can be a lunch or a dinner. One of my favorite things is I go to my favorite butcher at Wassy's meat market, and I buy their kielbasa. I like their kielbasa. I've probably said that on other videos. It's got a lot of garlic in it, a lot of good flavor. And basically what I've started to do here is I've got a big, huge, giant onion, sweet onion that I'm cooking down. Just want to slice it, cut it in half, slice it thin. Just get it cooked here a little bit. Heat on it. This is kind of like, you know, your sausage sandwich thing, but I like using kielbasa. I just, you know, sometimes in hot sausage they put a lot of extra kind of flavorings and colorings in, and usually it's not that hot. So I can take kielbasa and make it hot by how I dress it up. So I got an onion here. It's just about where I want it. I had another real large I'm going to dump in here. Let this all kind of sizzle together. This is just cooking a little bit of olive oil. So this red pepper and onion, I'm going to cook down here. So this finishes up, you can see the onions already getting cooked. While that's doing that, I need to show you. So, if sausage is made right, it holds together well, and every time I get sausage from Wassy's, it's perfect. So I just want to take my boning knife, I just want to cut it in half while we're waiting. Don't have to be perfect. Looks really good. Big, huge. Now what I'm going to do, kind of part the C's here. I just want to lay my sausage in here. I usually, like I said, I usually like to buy this kielbasa ahead of time. I just cook it in the oven, put it on a baking sheet with some tin foil, spray it with a little oil so it doesn't stick. 20 minutes, flip it, 20 more minutes, and it's perfect. So now all we're doing is we want to get this sausage heated through. Okay. Dairy it and all this stuff. Get nice and toasted warm. And you can't have really good sausage like this without really good barbecue sauce. So what I want to do is I want to take some, this is dinosaur barbecue. I like it. Doesn't have a lot of sugar in it, so it doesn't caramelize. I just want to coat everything here a little bit. mix that together. So what's going to happen is the sauce is going to cook into the kielbasa. And the barbecue sauce, that having a high vinegar content, is also going to help break down the veggies. So everything's cooking. And all I want to do is I want to cook it long enough, change the consistency so it's a little bit thicker. Like I said, nothing fancy, just good food to eat. And you can see that the sauce is now mixed with the vegetables and cooking some of the liquid out. So first thing it does, it kind of thins the sauce, and then it's going to thicken the sauce. I just want to get past that point. That's going to guarantee, the sausage is already cooked. I'm not really worried about that. I just want to get it nice and hot throughout. One good thing is what I do after I put this all together is I got some extra onions and peppers and with barbecue sauce on them, so guess what, that's going to go in a Tupperware container, and I can make this again this week, freeze it, save for later, whatever you want to do. I see it's just really starting to thicken up really well here. Sausage. Around my nose a little bit, so now it's all good. Room here. So what I got is I have a nice hot dog bun, and I put some provolone cheese on it, microwave just enough to soften it, get it melted. Things real hot, the sauce is cooked down, all the veggies are cooked. Watch this. Just like the idea when you cut that sausage in half, you get all that flavor cooking into it. So the funny thing about this is I used to get these really big rolls, so I decided I really don't need all the bread, so I eat this open face. And let me tell you, this is a beautiful way to make a really easy, quick lunch on the weekend, dinner during the week. I've just got all that beautiful onion and pepper, and this really does taste good. This is something worth making. Like you saw, I did this in just a few minutes. The only prep I had was cutting some onion and red pepper. I got leftovers, so you know, if I want to have another one, boom, it's ready to go. And I just think this is the kind of stuff that I just really like to eat. It's as fast as something frozen. It's a whole lot healthier. Whenever you can get fresh sausage of any kind from a butcher who's preparing it himself, you know what the ingredients are, not as much in the line of preservatives, and the whole way they process and make sausages so much better. So like I said, if you live in Melbourne area or Brevard County, you gotta check out Wassey's. Everything from there is top notch. So I want you to try it, enjoy it. Of course, you gotta subscribe and comment, and have a great day and have fun eating.